Cooking with Capy! Hey guys, today we're gonna be cooking with Capy. And today we're gonna cook tofu in 3 ways. No, not 3 ways, 2 ways. Then tomorrow we'll do another part with 2 ways again. Today we're gonna be cooking with sunrise tofu. So we soak the tofu onto some paper towel. Now we're gonna be slicing the tofu. Now we're gonna put one in the pan. Now we're gonna put oil. We're gonna use olive oil for this. Oh yeah, make sure you use a pod of lemon because sometimes it might smell bad or sometimes the smoke will go too much. Just in case, it's optional. Now we put it at max heat. And make sure you stir up the oil so it spreads. Now we're gonna put the tofu in the pan. Now we're gonna stir the tofu. Make sure you flip it, or else the other side will get burnt. Since the oil is bubbling, you might want to turn down the heat. Okay? Now we're gonna flip the tofu. Instead of using tongs, I rather you use like spatulas or something. Because tongs can probably scratch the pan. And make sure when you flip it over, it has to be about this brown. Not too brown, not too yellow. If you're eating tofu, sometimes for your main course, you want to eat something like a real meal. But if you want to just eat tofu by itself, that's okay. And my main course is rice with tofu, so. But if that's your choice, then you can pick a different one. Now we're gonna put tofu on a plate, and make sure you put paper towel so it absorbs the extra oil. Hey guys, today we're gonna cook the rest of the tofu. So my dad cut up the tofu. Now we're gonna put it in the air fryer.
heat up the air fryer first. We need to preheat the air fryer for 3 minutes, okay? Now I'm turning it on.
Okay, we're done preheating. Now we're gonna put some baking paper in the air fryer. Now we're gonna put the tofu with the air fryer. Now we're gonna cook the tofu in the air fryer. But for now we're just gonna put it halfway because we didn't know how long to cook it. Now we stop the air fryer to check it halfway. And this is what it looks like right now. So we're just gonna cook it a little bit more and then we'll show you after. Hey guys, well, it's already done. Now we're gonna see if it's cooked enough or not. Oh, nice. Oh wait.
Maybe a little bit more.
Yeah. So that side is good, but almost the bottom side is like fully white. So we need to cook it a little bit more, like probably for 2 minutes, and that's all. So we're
Let's
just
get
gonna
ready
wait.
for the final.
Yeah. So we set it for 2 minutes.
Maybe 3.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna get ready for the final.
Okay, so while we're waiting, we're gonna make a sauce. So my mom's just gonna cut some garlic. After that, this thing is called green onion.
We're gonna mince the garlic, okay?
Yeah, that's what it said to do. While my mom's cutting, our ingredients for the sauce is white sugar. This is sesame oil. This one is soy sauce. These are great value sesame seeds. And the back is just some chili sauce.
Chili oil.
Chili oil. Oh. And this is shelby. This is the bowl where we're gonna put all the ingredients. And this spoon, I'm gonna use it for these. We already minced the garlic. Now it's time to cut the green onion.
These are all the ingredients.
Now we're gonna put the ingredients in the bowl. So first, we're gonna put soy sauce. Then the next one will be sesame oil. Yeah, just a little bit of that. And some sugar. Now we're gonna put some chili oil. You can put your favorite chili oil if you want. But you don't have to use the same one anyway. Next up, we're gonna put the sesame seeds. we're gonna put these ingredients. Now my mom's gonna mix it all up. It looks like a nice sauce.
I'm gonna get the tofu.
Now the tofu's done, so we're gonna get it now. It looks good.
We'll do this much and then we'll sprinkle some sauce.
Now you need to get a spoonful of that and then sprinkle some. There. Or you can just dip it, whatever. Smells good.
Okay.
Now my mom's gonna try it first. Then after I'm gonna try it. Is it good? So maybe that sauce was worth it. That's okay. Tastes good. Well, bye. And now we're gonna eat the rest of the tofu.